I see Anchor. What the hell? I recognize this brand. Anchor. That's the power bank brand, isn't it? Is it power banks they have? Something, I forget. But they're popular on Amazon in America. I didn't know there was a Chinese company. I'm trying to get these mics. These guys are a factory apparently. They got like mics. I'm trying to buy a mic to make better videos.
Okay, you know use, okay?
Huh? Oh, yes.
Yes. Or you don't know use, you...
Yeah. No. Amazing. These guys are a factory. Oh. Thank you guys. Thank you. They gave me a SD card and a mic.